Welcome back to The Blend. Ladies, times have changed and many of us no longer feel the need to keep our sexual health private. So let's do this. Let's have an open conversation about some of those sometimes uncomfortable issues like urinary incontinence and sexual discomfort. Joining me now, a gal I've really enjoyed getting to know, Susan Stolte. You're so welcome. She is a rejuvenation expert at Opulence Med Spa in Henderson. Welcome.
Thank you for having me again.
Absolutely.
Because it is getting better and better. The talk out there is becoming greater.
Yes.
We're having some family lift parties, which is wonderful. We have patients or clients that have done the procedure once, coming in for the second time and feeling the results. Awesome.
You are getting a lot of people coming in for the family lift procedure.
Correct.
And a lot of feedback. Tell me about the feedback.
Feedback has all been good. I have not heard any bad feedback yet from anyone coming through our spa, Opulence Spa, and it is, you know, from the age of 30 all the way up to age 85 we treated.
Okay.
So it's some good things happening, and as you know, family lift is just new technology, and it's changing us women for the better.
Let's talk a little bit about that new technology. Okay. We have a video. Okay. You're going to talk us through it just a bit,
Sure.
And you've also just established it can help women of all ages address different issues.
Absolutely. So when I say age 30, they might have had a lot of kids through the birth canal, and so what's happening is that it's atrophy going on within their vaginal walls. This is what it's showing here is a CO2 laser will literally go up into the wall. It will do a couple turns. It will spin. It's a CO2 laser, and it will help break it down so it can build itself back up.
The tissue.
Yes,
okay.
Correct. The collagen within that tissue.
Very interesting.
We do it on the outside of our faces. We do it every place else, and this is really important to help with the atrophy, to help with incontinence, because it's actually making it tighter. So the bladder now, when you sneeze, when you cough, when you laugh, and when the brain says, I have to go to the restroom, well, what happens is being tighter helps the leakage a little bit.
It's a big issue, urinary incontinence,
absolutely.
Isn't it? And
absolutely.
You know, women, it's a little bit embarrassing. It is, quite frankly.
Yes.
And I think in the past, what have women have had to kind of just deal
pads,
with it?
Right. Depends. Pads. We're living longer. We're retiring earlier. We're becoming or staying sexually active. We're single. A lot of single ladies come into our spa too, and they just say they want to rejuvenate. Rejuvenation is what it's all about. It helps with everything from incontinence to sexual discomfort, pain to atrophy, and just that's where the power is.
Can we talk about one of the topics you just mentioned as well?
Yes.
Sexual discomfort.
Yes.
Women experience this a lot in menopause. You know, it's kind of a so I hear, because I hear allusions to it. I don't hear a lot of conversations about it, but it happens.
It does happen, and the conversation is, as we get older, we lose estrogen, we lose collagen. So yes, it gets dry, and you can use as many bottles of lube as you want, but it's uncomfortable. We want to get that back. So when you rejuvenate, you make it moist again, and I'm going like this. It's exciting. It's sex is better again. What can I say?
You're like, I'm feeling better. I don't know what to say.
People walk out of the spa and they feel it immediately because results are immediate.
Yes.
There's 3 treatments that you do.
Okay.
You come in once a month, every 4 weeks. So each time you go into there, it's a 5-minute treatment. It takes 5 minutes to get it done.
Really?
Yes, and its effects are immediate, but as it goes on, after 3 treatments, you're going to see, as it grows, as the collagen rebuilds, you're going to see it getting better and better and better.
Okay, so it's a progressive sort of therapy. Is it safe?
Absolutely. It's FDA approved. 7 years clinical study we had to do before we brought it into the forefront. So 7 years clinical studies, FDA approved, safe, no downtime, no surgery, no hormone replacement. It's what we do now. And it is 2017.
Can you walk out of the office and go about your normal activities?
Absolutely.
Or is there a delay time?
Absolutely. No delay time, no downtime. It is 5-minute procedure, and it's amazing. It's just amazing.
It sounds like there's a lot of women who might be candidates for this procedure.
Yes.
Who have you seen it be most successful for?
Incontinence. I'm going to say that to be true. The ladies have a little bit older who have had a little bit of incontinence. It's not even older. I have a 30-year-old that had incontinence because she had 5 children.
Oh, for sure.
So that's cleared up for her. So up to 85 who just want to feel rejuvenated. You know, and incontinence has stopped. They're not wearing Depends anymore, and there's no leakage when you sneeze, when you cough, when you have to go to the bathroom, and you're in a big dinner party, and as soon as you see that restroom, you start running for it because by then it's too late. So this is what it helps.
Thank you so much, Susan.
You're welcome.
You have a great special offer.
Yes, we
I'm going to
do.
mention it right now for you. If you call and book and mention you saw this on the Morning Blend, you will receive $350 off the price of 3 FemiLift treatments. That's
Perfect.
incredible.
Perfect. It's amazing. Please
Call
come.
today,
Please
folks.
come and call, and we'll talk about it. Free consultations too.
Oh, that makes a big difference. Free consultations. Opulence Med Spa. They are located on Valley Verde Drive in Henderson, near the 215. For more information on FemiLift or other services that they offer, visit their website or call the number on your screen. Opulence Med Spa is a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.